Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in your goal so you don't overdo it, say extended battery life or a controlled slowdown for testing. Make a system restore point now and record baseline FPS and CPU temps so you can undo changes. Next, switch to the power saver plan or build a custom plan and set maximum processor state to 50%. This immediately reduces CPU turbo. Once done, open Power Options and confirm the limit applied before moving on to deeper throttling. You now tackle the middle steps, reduce active workloads and add software limits. Close or disable background apps in Task Manager, and when needed, set CPU affinity to fewer cores to lower throughput. Install a limiter like throttle stop or MSI afterburner to set power limits and voltage offsets. These reduce performance while keeping stability. Finally, cap frame rates at 30 or 60 to cut GPU load. Make sure to apply settings and monitor for smoothness. Adjustments here control. You finish by verifying and automating your configuration. Run a benchmark or the actual workload to confirm reduced FPS, lower power draw, and cooler temps. Compare to your baseline. If satisfied, script or schedule the power profile and limiter settings so they apply on boot. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Revert one change at a time and test after each revert to find the culprit. Make sure drivers and monitoring tools are up to date to avoid false readings and instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.